Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2. Describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school.
The person who impressed me the most in my primary school was my teacher, Sastar. As I was a very careless student, as most of the children are becoming in that age, and less focused on my study and with random thoughts, Sastar working on our basic fundamental knowledge and created a good environment for us. As my personal opinion, as that time most of the teachers, our teachers are just came.
Teachers just come and
The teacher just come in and do gossips all the day. But Sasatar are very sincere,
was very
was very
sincere.
sincere with his duties, very humble, and he focused on us with a full duty and with very humbleness. That's why he was the most important person who impressed me the most.
Okay, thank you. You need to focus your grammar, tenses, and then make appropriate sentences and connect them together. Compound sentences, right? Repeat the tenses and then learn how to make compound sentences. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Why do people always miss their childhood?
Because most of the because as our environment as a child, there are more burden of their studies and in the childhood we just burdenize the children to learn more and to focus of their upcoming future. That's why most of the children are lose in their childhood in that time.
Okay, just focus your grammar, okay? Learn the tenses and compound sentences. Thank you.